Oh my gosh, we're actually filming during the day.
We're up early.
We are up early. Normally, Kristen works on the weekends, so this is the first video we've filmed in a very long time.
Actually, during the day.
Yeah, during the day.
In the morning.
It is currently 9 a.m., so we do have our Starbs. Yep, ew, this is gross.
I know. Don't mind us.
What did you
I
get?
got a white chocolate peppermint mocha with 1 pump white chocolate and 1 pump peppermint with almond milk and no wet.
Ooh, I got a vanilla soy latte. I love it. Neither of us drink or eat dairy, so all the milk alternatives. Hi fam! Welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Gigi.
I'm Chris.
And today we are reviewing again BoxyCharm. We are doing the December BoxyCharm.
Back at it again with another BoxyCharm video.
Disclaimer, the only reason why we really wanted to film this video so soon after we just filmed the November BoxyCharm was not because this is the only content that we could come up with.
It's all our little brains could think of.
But it's because December is one of the months that has Boxy Luxe, and we were so excited to get all 3 boxes together and see, you know, which one was worth it. Is it worth having the Boxy Luxe come every 4 months, or is it worth just, you know, subscribing to the premium? Unfortunately, my Boxy Luxe was stolen out of my mailroom recently.
Then he slithered and slunk with a smile most unpleasant around the whole room, and he took every present.
And I am so sad about it. We were really looking forward to it, and you know, all I can say is I hope that, you know, given the holidays, that the person stealing it was in need of some serious presents maybe, and going to, you know, maybe more of a positive cause and not just someone being selfish. But maybe I'm being optimistic. I don't know. Anyways, that is unfortunate. However, BoxyCharm has the best policy. They're really responsive. I emailed them right away, let them know that it was stolen out of my mailroom, and within the same day sent me a new tracking number for a brand new box, and that's really cool of them. You do only get 1 replacement box in a calendar year. I did receive the BoxyCharm Premium, and it was so good that we thought that we would still film this video.
Yeah.
It is a really good premium box.
Going back to our
so
video
worth it.
that we talked about last time about our BoxyCharms, when we were kind of on the edge about BoxyCharm Premium, honestly, looking at what she has this month, I kind of take back what I said. I feel like it's definitely kind of worth it. You guys are gonna have to wait and see what she got, but I think I might have to eat what I said last time.
Especially knowing that you can cancel just the regular box. I think that's what somebody said in our comments.
Yeah,
and
thank you for that.
That was awesome, because I would 100% cancel the regular box and just subscribe to the premium if every premium box was as good as this one. We're not going to talk too much in the intro. We'll get right into it.
If you like these types of videos that we talk about what we get in our BoxyCharms, definitely go ahead and give us a like, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to us. We'll get right into it.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Jump on into the regular BoxyCharm. For me this month, there are some really good things that I liked in here, but there are some things that I was just kind of like, meh, I kind of wish I got that box. So the first thing that I received, which I was really excited about, was this Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale Little Red Riding Hood palette. Their packaging is adorable. The only thing I would have to say about their products is it's not very travel friendly. This is something that you would probably just keep in your storage and just take it out occasionally. I know, it's a little book.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Wait, and those colors are super wearable.
So it's not something I would bring with me on a vacation, but it's just definitely something I would leave my storage and then take out whenever I wanted to use any of these colors. These colors are really cute. I have not yet used this.
A+ for packaging, honestly. Storybook Cosmetics. I want to see this. Oh, look how pigmented that is.
So this retails at $35.
Wait, for $35? For 6 shades?
It's a little
You're kidding. You are kidding me. All that money goes towards their
packaging.
yeah.
100%. Next would be this Elemis. I'm so sorry if I am butchering that. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Face Oil. This, I actually use this every day now. Disclaimer, I have kind of dipped into some of this stuff, so I'll be able to kind of tell you whether or not I really enjoyed it. I really like this product. Basically, it's for fine lines and wrinkles. It has English rose, roaring water kelp. Not sure what that means, but I feel like it works. So it soothes, nourishes, and smooths. I love that it has collagen in it and a rose oil. I have really dry skin, so I feel like it definitely really hydrates and it plumps my skin. I just use it at night. It really has a strong scent of rose in it. I wanted to point that out. Some of the rose oils that I have used before doesn't really have as much as a strong scent, but this one definitely has a huge rose smell to it. So if you don't like smells, it's probably not for you. That's what it looks like.
It does. It smells like roses.
Like straight
strong,
roses.
But it smells really good. It's not overpowering.
Yeah. That retails for $79.
Wow. I'm so impressed.
Yeah.
BoxyCharm honestly never fails to impress me.
Yeah.
Every month over month. Such great boxes,
Yeah.
honestly.
There's always that one wow product in there that you're just like,
Oh, so worth
dang.
it. Like,
and stuff that I would have probably never bought that at a store. I probably would have never picked that up because I'm like $79. Maybe not.
Yeah.
So next is this Ciate London Marble Light. So this is the illuminating blush. I actually have this on today.
oh my god, cute.
This is really, really cute. I don't like my blushes with a lot of highlight in it. I like my blushes to be matte and then my highlight on top. But I actually am really loving this. So this is what it looks like. The only thing is this thing is really hard to get open, especially if you have nails.
It looks like strawberry cheesecake.
So it's really pretty on. It's definitely more of a rosy tone. It doesn't have too much peach in it, which is nice. I really love blush too. Blush is definitely a big thing that I love to put on my face. So when I got that, I was really excited. This retails for $26. The next thing that I got is this Seraphine Botanical Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Polish. When I picked this up, I thought it was a lip gloss.
What is it?
And what it actually is it's like lip scrub. What you'll do is you'll put it on your lips, scrub it around, and then it's supposed to help get all the dead skin and make your lips more
Oh my gosh, wow.
voluminous.
And all of these things, even on the back,
Yeah.
it says it's 100% plant-based and vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no gluten, with phthalates.
Phthalates. I have no
Don't
idea.
even know how to pronounce that. But
It doesn't have it in there, so that's nice.
it's not tested on animals either. It's cruelty-free, not
Yeah.
tested on animals. And I love that. Like, I feel like when I do my makeup shopping, I'm trying to steer towards that direction more so.
This was really cute. It smells really good, especially for the winter. And again, me having dry skin, I feel like this is going to be very, very useful for me because I can just get it on there and get all that dead skin off and put a nice lip gloss over it. So this retails for $24, which I think is a little bit steep, but
It is steep.
I think it's
For a
really
lip
cute.
scrub?
Yeah. Last but not least, this is again something I am wearing today. This is the Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit.
Oh,
I really like this. I have never been one to really use powder brow products. I'm more of a pomade or a pencil type girl. But lately I've been really enjoying this product and using it just in the inner parts of my eyebrow and then using the pomade for the rest of it. So that's what it looks like. So this is going to be to use in the front of your brow, and this is the end of your brow, and this is supposed to be a concealer.
That's a pretty...
It's a little dark for me. It comes with a little brow gel.
cute! I'm
And it comes with a little angled brush, and then this
Cute.
bottom part is for where the concealer is supposed to be. The only thing I don't really like about this is I don't like a colored brow gel. I like my brow gel to be clear because I
Yeah.
am messy, and if I get this like somewhere that's not where it's supposed to be, then it's just like brown all over my eye. This is really nice. I really like
Cute.
this. I really love the packaging. I love that this
It's all like so like put together.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like it's just like so easy to travel with. I feel like that
Yeah.
because it's like all there.
all of your stuff all in one place.
I like their packaging.
Yeah.
cute.
So this is really cute, and that retails for $30. So that was everything in my BoxyCharm
That is
this
a
month.
good regular level worth $25
Yeah.
box. If you haven't checked out our previous video on the different levels of BoxyCharm,
Yeah.
definitely watch that. We will put the link down in the description. BoxyCharm Premium. So this box was so good. I can't even emphasize how good it was. The first product, and this was the very first thing that I saw right when I opened it, was this Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. I have previously received a serum, the Pineapple Brightening Serum from Glow Recipe, and it was also in a BoxyCharm box, and I really like their product. So I was super excited to see this. I've always wanted to try the watermelon moisturizer, and I have not tried it yet other than like on my hands because my skin on my face is pretty sensitive. So I have used it on my hands and on my neck, but I just haven't used it on my face yet.
Oh, this packaging is so cute.
Their packaging is like so cute. It smells like watermelon, where like their pineapple one does smell like pineapple as well. The Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer, and it's the 60 milliliter bottle. Like that's a pretty big bottle. It's more of a gel-based moisturizer, so that's nice. It absorbed into my skin, but it doesn't make it feel oily, which is really nice. And gel-based moisturizers typically I would use in the morning, and then more of a cream-based moisturizer I'd use in the evening. Okay, so this retails for $39. So cute. I will definitely be trying this out this week. So what's really cool about Glow Recipe, so on the packaging it explains uses for not only for oily and combination skin, but also for dry skin. So you can use this for dry skin as well, but instead of using it as a moisturizer, you want to use it as a serum. You can use it in the morning and night for dry skin, and for combination and oily skin, you're going to want to use it more as a moisturizer. So that's really, really cool. The next thing that I was so excited for when I opened up this box was a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. This is the Cranberry palette. This is 5 shades, and if y'all don't know, Natasha Denona's eyeshadows are honestly impeccable. A plus. Her eyeshadows are so awesome. However, they are so expensive. Like a whole palette is $129 at Sephora. It's ridiculous. Like to me, I'm not gonna spend that much on an eyeshadow palette. This is such a pretty palette. I also really like her packaging. I just think it's just very, you know, easy, it's small, sleek. Yeah. This is the Cranberry palette. How pretty. This palette retails for $48. Ouch. 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 It's not cheap. Her stuff is not cheap. However, her shades are so pigmented. They are so just, I love how the consistency in her formula for her eyeshadows. Butter. They are so buttery. They're so beautiful. Like A+. I'm pretty excited. These are definitely more shades Kristen would wear. I tend to stay towards just more browns and neutrals. But I'm sure she's going to be dipping into this, and I will, I guess, try it out a little bit.
I would love to see some of these colors on you.
But yeah, I definitely am going to try it out, and if not, I'm sure you're going to use it. The next thing in my box...
That's what she said.
was the Ciate Confetti Highlighter. I was really excited about this because I love highlighter. I mean, who doesn't love highlighter? This is actually what I'm wearing today on. Ooh! So I have used this. I really, really like it. And again, like what Kristen said, it is kind of hard to open, especially with nails. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. So pretty. Yeah, it's just like a goldy kind of.
Oh my gosh. Cute.
Yeah, it looks, I think it's gonna look better when I have a bit of a tan, you know what I mean? This highlighter retails for $32. $32 for highlighter. I think that's pretty average. I think that's what I spend on like Becca highlighters and stuff. The next thing in the BoxyCharm Premium was this Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. It says it's with pomegranate extract. So this mask, I'm just gonna read it off. It's an overnight hydrating lip mask. What I really like also about Bite Beauty is they are gluten-free, vegan, cruelty-free. So that is something that's really nice if you are looking for a lip mask. This one is cruelty-free.
Love that.
I haven't even dipped into it actually at all.
I like this packaging though.
I do like the packaging.
Love the matte.
The matte black is super cute. And it comes with this cute little, so if you have nails like we do, it comes with this cute little, like a little spoon thing, you know? It doesn't really have much of a scent,
It smells good though.
It doesn't smell bad. It's just like citrusy, like a mild citrusy kind of smell. But it's really cute. I'm excited to try it. I have been using the Laneige lip mask in the evening, and I swear by that one, but I'm really excited to try out a different one. This retails for $22. I think that's pretty average.
That's about as much as the Laneige one.
Yeah. So I'm excited to compare the two, see which one's a little bit better. The next thing I received in the BoxyCharm Premium was this Kat Von D Cake Pencil Liner, which is really cool. I do use her liquid liner and I really, really like it. However, this type of eyeliner pencil is not a pencil that I use. If you can see, I don't use this type of a eyeliner, but my mom does. So this will be in her stocking this year for Christmas.
Love that.
Her products are vegan, so that's pretty cool. This eyeliner retails for $19, so that's like pretty, I would say, average for her eyeliners. Last thing I received in this box, I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm really excited to try it. It's called Avant, A-V-A-N-T. This was the expensive one in the box.
Oh god.
This Vivifying face mask and eye night cream. This little bottle retails for $134.
What?
Let's see what it says about it. It is a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for the face and targeted eye area, formulated with hyaluronic acid to deeply nourish your skin. It also combines signature ingredients to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and weakened skin surface. So I am actually really excited to try this out. Like I said, I do have sensitive skin on my face, so I will have to patch test it on my neck before I move along to my face, but I'm really excited to try it. It is very expensive. This is probably not something, this is like actually way out of my price range of things that I would purchase. So I'm excited to try it out. I don't know if this would be worth it, and maybe this will be a worth it video if I look like I'm 12 the next time I jump on the video. You'll know that this product works, but yeah, I'm excited to try it. I don't know if this little bottle is worth $134. That's so steep to me.
What's weird to me is the packaging doesn't look like it would be $130. Like this packaging looks like a $20.
You look like you could pick this up at Target.
Yeah. So I find that very interesting, but maybe they didn't spend all the money on the packaging and actually spent the real money
in the product. This is from London, the UK. It is cruelty free, so that is something I'm pretty happy about. If it's gonna be $134, it better be cruelty free.
Yeah.
So that is everything that we received in these boxes. I was super, super impressed with the BoxyCharm Premium for December. It was honestly amazing. Even the regular BoxyCharm, that was A+. I'm a little bitter and salty that I didn't receive the Boxy Luxe, but you know, I'm very fortunate that at least I received this box. Like it's not all lost, and you know, we have a lot to be thankful for still, even receiving one. So
yeah. And thank you to, honestly, Boxy Luxe for being so amazing, for being kind enough to
resend a box.
I literally had actually the same thing happen last month, and they were kind enough to send me a new box as well. So that's really nice, and it's really a plus on my part.
Their
for
customer
them.
service is pretty, and they're really responsive. So thank you again, Boxy Luxe. If you like these videos, make sure you, again, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more BoxyCharm unboxings, let us know in the comments. Do you have favorite products that you've tried from the December BoxyCharm boxes or previous ones? Let us know. And don't forget to subscribe and, you know, join our fam.
Hashtag Chris and Gigi fam. Yeah, we love you guys so much. Thank you for watching another one of our videos. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.